It's something that's become all too common in Billings.
You know, people are clever. They'll see those things and plan ahead, wear a mask.
Criminals caught in the act, fleeing police or shooting homes. Or like these ones in masks, looking to steal from vehicles.
That was interesting to see, but I don't consider it scary, I guess, but it's just information to have.
That video is from Brian O'Loughlin's friend, who said that videos like it and an experience at his old house is why he makes sure cameras are on his door.
Well, actually, the reason why is from the previous house, we had a couple incidents where I didn't have a camera, and I wished I did. Someone had run into my garage door. No idea who did it, still don't know.
All are reasons why Billings police are once again pushing for Project Eyes on the Block. It's a program where they can come knock on your door and ask for use of cameras like this one to help track down criminals.
It's just streamlining. It doesn't take quite as long.
Lieutenant Samantha Puckett with Billings Police says the program can help provide crucial evidence in some cases.
It's invaluable to us. So it's really important that if people do have video, that they do share it with us. It really just helps our cases immensely.
Puckett says that there are currently 368 businesses or residents signed up for the project, which means their addresses are entered into this database for only officers to see.
We can look at this map and see how many cameras we know of that are in the program in that area, so we can go directly to those people.
On a national scale, a lack of video in the Nancy Guthrie case has delayed the process, an example of something Puckett says they're hoping to avoid.
Any sort of video surveillance would aid them in their investigation.
Which is why residents like O'Loughlin are in support of the effort.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind signing up for it, and I'll gladly show them what I got if they think it would be of any use.
In Billings, Charlie Kleps, MTN News.